Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now today's the day we announce the winner of the 70,000 subscriber giveaway piece. This is a bog oak vase that we created in December. It's finished with golden embellishing wax and very soon it is going to be the property of one of you. Now we're going to do the giveaway in exactly the same way as we normally do. I've gone through the previous 20 qualifying videos and using an app chosen one winner from each one. Those 20 finalists will be then put into one more app which will choose the final winner, and we'll let VoiceOver Mike do that in a second. Now before we do this, I just quickly want to do one last thing. Now this, you may recognize it from a few weeks ago. This is the sycamore crotch piece we created. Now I'm going to do something fairly drastic, but hopefully in a fun way. Put this on a linisher to try and give it a bit more luster to the wood, and the Triple E polishing wax has stuck in some end grain there, and I've tried to sand it but I can't get it out without going through the whole sanding process again, so I'm going to cut these wings off. A lot of people mentioned that they would prefer it without the wings on, and in some way they may be right, but anyway, they're coming off. Now to make this a bit more fun, I'm going to try and film this in high speed, and we're going to do it in one go as opposed to whittling them down bit by bit. I'm just going to come in here with a carbide tool, go straight through, and hopefully they'll separate and go their own ways. Anyway, it'll be a bit of fun. Okay, I'll show you the slow motion at the end, but we'll hand over to VoiceOver Mike. Good luck.
Okay, thanks a lot, Mike. Sorry about the winged bulb for those who loved it. I quite liked it myself, but you know what he's like when he gets these things into his head. Okay, now it's time to choose our winner. Now I'm on a random list picker website. The way this works, as you can see, we've got a list of 3 things here, thing 1, thing 2, and thing 3. And when I click on randomize, it chooses one of those 3 and puts it there. And that is how we are going to choose our winner. Now I'm just going to paste in the list of the 20 qualifiers. There they are. We'll go through them. J1, Jake S, Mickle, Crashmania, Kazdo, Melody Faith, Jeremiah Crozier, EC, Dakota Max, Sean Bailey, Lee Ballard, Tina Kelly, JC's Woodshop, Deborah McNabb, Julian French, Cheryl Abrams, Dean Howard, Alicia Dare, Lynn Gorman, and James Thompson. There are 20 finalists. So as soon as I hit this button, one winner will be chosen and their name will appear there. I'd like to quickly say a massive thank you to everyone who has joined in with the competition. Unfortunately, there can be only one winner, but I wish you the very best of luck. Okay, let's do it. And the winner is Dakota Max 2. Congratulations, Max. If you can drop us a line, we'll get your details and make sure this is sent straight off to you. To everyone else, I am so sorry you weren't fortunate this time, but hopefully it won't be too long before we're doing another giveaway. So everyone else, thank you so much indeed for being involved, and we'll see you all very soon. Thank you.